Yo, what's up everybody? It's J.I. Guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Dualsense Edge controller. Personally, I've always been using Scuff. Just my opinion, it's always been my favorite controller. But I was curious, so let's see what this controller is about. Who do you know that opens boxes like that? Another box? Alright, so the moment of truth. It just looks like a really big sandwich. Get back in there. I will admit that the case is pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. This thing is pretty clean. It's actually really clean. Look at that, guys. So compared to the regular PS5 controller, you can see the difference there. On the back, it looks like it has these little thingies here that let you decide basically what intensity you want to feel, whatever that is, right there. Feels pretty light. I'm big on that. The thumbs have to be light because if you're a big gamer and you know what I mean, you want to sweat sometimes, you need that. So you'll notice that it comes with these little thingies here, which basically are little thumb paddles, if I'm not mistaken, which is pretty cool. It also comes with the back paddles for your controller here and here, right? And then it even has the lock and unlock switch there for you. So let me show you guys what that looks like. Oh. And it also comes with a USB to USB-C cable. Which if you're a PC player like me, you're gonna need this. So, very important. Okay, so now I'm gonna set it up. Wish me luck, guys. Is that it? Huh. So these little paddles, you can just literally just stick them in these little holes here in the back part. Is that it? And it has a little button here right in the middle, which it says release. So if you ever want to take these off, it'll release both of them. What does this do? Oh, this is for the cable. This is for the cable. So you put the cable through here and you lock it in place so it doesn't fall off the controller. I think is what it is. These little things up here are so you can basically adjust these, but if you're an L1 R1 shooter like me, it does you no good. Okay, so these little paddles are an either or. So if you like the short paddles, or if you like the longer paddles, it's really up to you, which works better for you. But it is not optional to do both. There's only space for one set of paddles. Okay, so the little release button on the back will let you pop this out. Okay. And then once you have this popped out, there's little levers right here that you push, and you can pop out these little things here that you use to hold the controller, the thumbnails, thumb pads, whatever, you know what I mean. Once you lift up the levers, you can just pull these down, and they will literally let you take off the little thumb thingies on your controller. It does come with extra thumbnails, so you can either do the one that's more so dented in, which is probably the one I'll do. Or you can do the more old school ones, which is just a big cookie looking thing. And then just to reattach it, all you have to do is just back the same way that you took it off, just until it clicks. So let's see if we can hear it. Ooh. So again, to put it back in, just slide up in there. That's what she said. There we go. So we put it back in. Now again, these little levers here on the corners, you have to bring them down in order for this to lock back in. Boom, we did that. That's what it looks like after. And then you just put this piece back on once you're ready. it's basically a puzzle. So you just find where you got it from and just kind of click it back in. Overall, compared to the PlayStation 5 controller, it does feel slightly lighter than the original PS5 controller. You can look at them closely. You can tell that it is slightly slimmer, slightly, not a whole lot, but just enough for you to feel a difference. Again, it just fits like a puzzle. Once you've done that, you just close it, click on it. On the back part, you just go where it says lock, boom. It won't really make that much of a difference. Oh, I guess now it does. Once it clicks like that, it has a better grip. And then now I found out what those two little holes up there do. They're actually to grip this in. So then you just simply just, boom. And then there you go. So now you'll have a USB-C that won't really move, which is awesome, because if you're a gamer like me that I start moving left and right when I'm gaming and it gets really intense, this makes a difference. Conclusion. This controller, guys, is a solid 8 out of 10 in my book. Personally, I enjoyed a lot of the features and the fact that you can customize it very well. So those are the pros that I liked about the controller. The only cons that I have that didn't make this a 10 out of 10 is the fact that it is only programmable with a PlayStation 5. So if you don't have a PlayStation 5, do not buy this controller, because it's not going to have the features that you're likely buying it for. Overall, Sony Entertainment, for your first professional controller, thumbs up from my side. JI approves. If you've made it this far into this video, I just want to say thank you. I hope you enjoyed the content. I'm going to be doing daily live streams on my channel, more shorts on my YouTube channel as well. Be sure to hit that notification button if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of it. Thank you. Take care.